ఇప్పుడు మరి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
In that first question, Nana, find LSA and TSA of a right prism. Cube is an example of a right prism. The LSA of a cube is 4 into a square. Here a is what, Nana? Side. Then 4 into a square means what is the side, Nana? Here a means what? That is 4 centimeter. Okay, now because of in a cube, length is equals to breadth is equals to height is equals to, that is same, a units. Okay na, length breadth height 3 dimensions kuda same untayi. Okay, a square ante in the place of a I am writing 4, that is 4 square centimeter. Now 4 into 4 square means what, Nana? That is 16 square centimeter. 16 fours are, that is 64 square centimeter. Okay na students, LSA ante except top and bottom remaining 6 faces ni manam remaining 4 faces ni manam add chestam. Now in that only, now I am going to find TSA, total surface area. Okay, total surface area of a cube. TSA of a cube is, that is 6a square. This time we are going to add the areas of 6 faces. Okay, then 6 into a square means what is the value of a, Nana? A value entra, that is 4 centimeter only. Okay na, 4 square centimeter 4 square, that is square centimeter. Now 6 into 4 square ante, that is 16 square centimeter. Now 6 into 16 or 16 into 6, 16 6 are, that is what, Nana? 96 square centimeter. So we will find like this TSA and LSA of a cube by using the formula. Okay na students? Yes. What is the second question, Nana? The total surface area. Okay na, the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meter. Find its volume. We know volume ante, volume means what, Nana? The space occupied by a solid object is called its volume. Okay na, every solid object occupies some space, that is called the volume of the solid object, a particular solid object. Now here given data, see its solution, Nana. Given the TSA, total surface area of a cube is what, that is 1350 square meter. Okay, we know the formula. What is the formula actually? TSA, total surface area of a cube is equals to, that is 6a square. What, Nana? 6a square. What are the units? Square units. Okay, now by problem total surface area 1350 square meters. So ikkada TSA of a cube is 6a square. So 6a square is equals to 1350. Okay na, idi given, actually this is the formula. Now 6a square ante 6 into a square, I am transposing 6 to RHS side, then what happened? A square is equals to 1350 by 6. Okay na, now you cancel with the, I am cancelling with the
6th birthday.
6 table. or 3 table, our wish. Okay now. I'm taking 6 table here because of it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. ఈ 13లో 12 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది. Beside number is 5. Again 6 twos are 12. 15లో 12 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది. Beside number is 0. That is 6 5s are 30. Are you understood, Nana? With the 6, first 6 2s are 12. ఈ 13లో 12 మైనస్ అయితే 1 ఉంటుంది. Beside number is 5 అంటే 15. Again 6 2s are 12. 15లో 12 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది. Beside number is 0. Then 6 5s are 30. So we are getting like this. A square is equals to 225. Okay. So both sides I am applying square root. LHS side, RHS side square root apply chestunna. Okay, then what happened? Square root cancel. Then A is equals to root 225 means 225 is a perfect square number. So we will get what, Nana? That is 15. 15 square means what? That is 225. Okay, so now we know the side of a cube. Okay, we know the side of a cube. Yes, the side of a cube is what, Nana? 15 meter. 15 meter. Now find its volume. Volume means, what is the formula? Volume of a cube is equals to, that is what, Nana? A cube. Cubic units. What are the units? Cubic units. Volume of a cube means what? That is a cube. Ikkada A anedi side of a cube. Now a cube means a plus lo nenu 15 rastunna. That is 15 cube. Cubic units ante ikkada units ante meter. That's why cubic meter. 15 cube means that is 15 into 15 cubic meters. We know 15 15s are, that is 225 into, again 15 is there. Now 225 into 15 means multiply cheyandi em vastundi 225 into 15. 225 into 15 plus 5 5s are 20. Okay, students. So 225 into 15 means we are getting 3375. So that is 3375 cubic meters. Okay, now students. So if you know the total surface area or lateral surface area of a cube, okay, by using the formula you can find the side of a cube first, afterwards find its value. This is the procedure. Yes. Okay, students, this is the question. Find the area of 4 walls of a room if its length is 12 meter, breadth is 10 meter and height is 7.5 meters. Here given hint, assume that there are no doors or no windows. Okay na, మనం అనుకుంటున్న రూమ్ కి there are no doors and no windows. Windows లేవు, doors లేవు అనుకోండి. Now see its solution. The dimensions of a room. The dimensions of a room is what? Length is equals to 12 meter, breadth is equals to 10 meter height is equals to 7.5 meters. So you simply draw like this. Okay. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Okay. Now, what is the area of 4 walls of a room? The area of 4 walls of a room is equals to, that is 2h of L plus B square units. What is the formula, Nana? The area of 4 walls of a room is what? 2h of L plus B square units. Now we know the value of L, B and H. Just substitute the value. What happens? See. Yes, that is 2 of H means height means what? Height is given 7.5. Okay, and L means what, Nana? That is length is given 12 meters plus breadth is given 10 meters. Total is square units means that is square meters. Now 2 of 7.5, that is 15. 2 into 7.5 means what? 15 of 12 plus 10 means that is 22 square meter. Now 15 into 22. 15 into 22 means what? 15 twos are 30. 300. 15 twos are 30. That is 330 square meters. Okay. So this is what, Nana? The area of 4 walls of a room with the given measurements, that is what? 330 square meters. Okay.